Dear students, in this video we are continuing with the sums of exercise 5.1 of the lesson straight line. Question number 7. If the origin is shifted to the point O dash 2, 3, the axis remaining parallel to the original axis, find the new coordinates of the points A, 1, 3. So, let us take x, y be the new coordinates of the point x, y, small letter x, y, when the origin is shifted to the point O dash 2, 3, axis remaining parallel also. Then by the formula of shift of origin, we have small letter x is equal to capital X plus h, y is equal to y plus k, where h is equal to 2 and k is equal to 3. That is the point at which the origin is shifted. Therefore, x is equal to x plus 2, where h is equal to 2, and y is equal to y plus 3, that is k is equal to 3 here. From that, we can find the new coordinates of the same point with respect to the new origin. That is, x is equal to small letter x minus 2 and capital Y is equal to small letter y minus 3. Therefore, the new coordinates of x, y are x minus 2 and y minus 3. Therefore, the new coordinates of A, 1, 3, that is, in place of x we will write 1 and y we will write 3. That is 1 minus 2, 3 minus 3, that is minus 1, 0 is the coordinate of the point A, 1, 3 with respect to the new origin. Question number 8. If the origin is shifted to the point O dash 1, 3, the axis remaining parallel to the original axis, find the old coordinates of the points C, 5, 4. That is, let x, y, capital X, y be the new coordinates of small letter x, y when origin is shifted to the point O dash 1, 3 and axis remaining parallel. Then by the formula of shift of origin, we have small letter x can be written as capital X plus h and y is equal to capital Y plus k. And we know h and k are given as 1, 3 because the new origin. And small letter x is equal to x plus 1 and y is equal to y plus 3. Therefore, the old coordinates of x, y are the small letter x and y are the old coordinates only. So, x plus 1 and y plus 3. Now, the old coordinates of C, 5, 4 because the point with respect to the new origin is C, 5, 4. So, we will substitute capital X is equal to 5 and capital Y is equal to 4 here. So, we will get the point 6y. So, 6 and y are the coordinates of the old coordinates of the point C54 with respect to the old origin. Question number 9. If the coordinates A5, 14 change to BA3 by shift of origin, find the coordinates of the point where the origin is shifted. Here the points having the coordinates with respect to the old and new origin are given. We need to find the point where the origin is shifted or the new origin. Let x, y be the new coordinates of small letter x, y when the origin is shifted to the point hk. So, we need to find the point hk here and the axis remaining parallel. Then by the formula for the shift of origin, we have small letter x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k, and substitute the values of small letter x, y and capital X, y. So, 5 is equal to 8 plus h, 14 is equal to 3 plus k, then small h is equal to minus 3 and k is equal to 11. So, the new coordinates of the origin or the coordinates of the new origin are minus 3, 11. Question number 10. Obtain the new equations of the following loci if the origin is shifted to the point O dash 2, 2, the direction of axis remaining the same. Here we will consider B. X square plus y square minus 3x is equal to 7. This equation is the equation of locus of points with respect to the old origin. Now we need to find the equation with respect to the new origin. Let xy, capital XY be the new coordinates. So small xy when origin is shifted to the point O dash 2, 2. Axis remaining parallel. So the equation or the formula of shift of origin, x small x is equal to capital X plus h and y small y is equal to capital Y plus k, where h and k are given 2, 2. Therefore, small x is equal to capital X plus 2 and small y is equal to capital Y plus 2. Now substituting the values of x, y in the equation, x square, that is in the equation we will substitute the value of x and y. Here x is equal to x plus 2, therefore x square is x plus 2 the whole square plus y square is y plus 2 the whole square minus 3 into x, means 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 7. Expand the whole square, we will get x square plus 4x plus 4. The second term when expanding, y square plus 4y plus 4 minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 7. After simplification, we will get the equation as x square plus y square plus x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. That is the required equation of the locus with respect to the new origin. Question number 10D. Y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0, which is the equation of the loci of points with respect to the old origin. Now we need to find the equation with respect to the new origin. So the formula of shift of origin we will write first and substitute the value of the origin. Origin is shifted to the point O dash 2, 2. So small x is equal to capital X plus 2 and small y is equal to capital Y plus 2. Substituting these values of x, y in the equation, given equation. So y square will become y plus 2 the whole square minus 4 into x plus 2 minus 4 into y plus 2 plus 12 is equal to 0. So after expanding, y square plus 4y plus 4 minus 4x minus 8 minus 4y minus 8 plus 12 is equal to 0. So after cancelling the some terms, y square minus 4x is equal to 0 will be the required equation. Now next part is explained in the next video. Thank you.